Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best AUSYLE BLDQ Y2 Nightlight Galaxy Projector. This device promises to transform any room into a mesmerizing celestial experience. Let's dive into its features, pros and cons, to see if it's the perfect addition to your home or a fantastic gift for kids. Let's get started. Product features: 12-in-1 planetarium projector. The AUSYLE BLDQ Y2 boasts 12 different display scenarios, allowing users to explore a variety of captivating themes. Whether it's the solar system, galaxy, celestial planets, or deep forests, this projector offers a diverse range of visuals to spark imagination and wonder. Multiple display modes. The projector supports independent control of different lighting elements. You can toggle the movie lights on and off with the second button and control the side star lights with the third button, choosing from different light modes. The fourth button controls star rotation and includes a timed shutdown feature when held for 2 seconds. This flexibility allows you to customize the viewing experience to suit different moods and settings. AD Galaxy Projection. Featuring a 2023 upgrade, the HD projection quality enhances visual clarity. You can adjust the focal length by twisting the top screw ring, ensuring clear images at up to 5 meters of projection distance and covering an area of up to 134 square meters. This makes it an excellent choice for decorating various room sizes. User-friendly for kids. The projector is designed with simplicity in mind. Setting it up involves just 3 easy steps: insert the film, turn on the switch, and adjust the focus. This straightforward design is perfect for children who can enjoy a hands-on experience while developing their intellectual skills through manual film switching. Safe and educational gift. Made from high-quality ABS material, the projector uses a film imaging principle that is safe for children's eyes. Its 360 rotatable body allows for projection on ceilings, walls, and floors, making it a versatile tool for stimulating curiosity and imagination. It's an engaging and educational gift that can introduce kids to the wonders of the universe in a fun, interactive way. Pros. The AUSYLE BLDQ Y2 Nightlight Galaxy Projector stands out with its versatile display options, offering 12 different scenarios ranging from celestial to natural scenes, catering to various themes and moods. Its customizable lighting allows independent control of movie lights, starlights, and rotation, enhancing the viewing experience. The HD projection delivers clear and vivid images, adding to the overall visual appeal. Designed with kids in mind, it features a simple setup and operation that promotes independent play and learning. Additionally, the projector's use of durable ABS material and a safe film imaging principle ensures reliability and safety for children. Cons. The AUSYLE BLDQ Y2 Nightlight Galaxy Projector has a few drawbacks. Its maximum projection distance of 5 meters might be insufficient for very large rooms or spaces. Additionally, the manual film switching process could be challenging for younger children who might struggle with handling or changing the films. While designed to operate quietly, the rotation feature may produce some noise, which could be distracting for sensitive sleepers. The AUSYLE BLDQ Y2 Nightlight Galaxy Projector is a fantastic tool for creating a magical and educational environment at home. With its versatile display options, HD projection quality, and kid-friendly design, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to introduce a touch of wonder to their living space or to gift a child something both fun and educational. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more insightful reviews and tech updates.